Today we have a lot of sea animal toys. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first sea animal is a seahorse. This is a seahorse. A seahorse. The next sea animal is a frog. This is a frog. The next one is a clownfish. This is a clownfish. A clownfish. The next sea animal is a king crab. This is a king crab. The next one is a pufferfish. This is a pufferfish. The next sea animal is a dolphin. This is a dolphin. The next sea animal is a starfish. This is a starfish. The next sea animal is a sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. The next one is octopus. This is octopus. The next one is a rooster. This is a rooster. The next sea animal is a shark. This is a shark. The next sea animal is alligator. This is alligator. The next sea animal is the next one is a penguin. This is a penguin. A penguin. The next sea animal is a turtle. This is a turtle. A turtle. The next one is a pufferfish.